Okay, so finally we got update for Android 15 and there is much features included in this version. So I have opened that on my device and let's see what will be going to be included in this Android 15 update. So the first improvement will be connection and sharing. So in this area they worked on our Bluetooth features. So suppose previously it was just like tapping on that Bluetooth icon, it keeps turn it on or off. But now with this new feature you will be able to turn Bluetooth on and off, pair a new device, switch paired device, and see remaining battery on paired device, disconnect or forget a paired device, and more other things. And after that there is a more interesting feature like satellite messaging. So even when your device is not connected to internet or there is no network in your mobile phone, in that case also you will be able to send satellite messaging system. So using satellite messaging system you will be able to send messages to any person. So in case there is a situation where there is no network in your mobile phone, so it will be very helpful in that case. So only few limited number of mobile operators support this feature. So it doesn't mean that it will be supported in your device also. Okay, so after that there is use one tap hotspot to connected device with same Google account. So in this feature what they will provide that if you have logged into two device with same account, same Google account, and you are connect so while you are turning your one hotspot on in the first device, so second device will not ask any password if and it is signed with the same account, so it will automatically connect to that hotspot. And after that there is one more thing, that is on accessibility improvement. Okay, so controlling hearing device for from quick setting. So in that case, so if quick setting now has a lead tile to control hearing device, tap the tile to peek at hearing device battery level, change device setting, and turn other audio features like live caption on or off. So this is also a interesting feature in this. And after that there is some security enhancement also. So suppose if someone stole your phone and snatched from you and just ran away, so after few time it will be get locked. So in this they mention that they find power off phone and connected accessories feature also. So if your phone is offline or switched off, okay, in that case also you will be able to track your phone, and you will be able to track your headphone trackers tag and other compatible devices even when powered off. So suppose your headphone is powered off and it has features of vibration or any alerting system, so in that case also with this Android 15 feature you will be able to find that device. Okay, and now get secure simpler to use authentication section. So in that case they mention to slow down phone tap attack, adaptive authentication now lock the screen after 5 failed authentication attempt. So it means if suppose your child is getting your phone and he tried to put wrong password 5 times, so after 5 times it will be locked, and you will be able to open when it came to your handbag. Okay, and for app designed for Android 15, access your saved password with facial recognition, a fingerprint or your screen lock to log in. If you accidentally dismiss the passkey prompt, you will still find passkey or other suggestion in autofill section like keyboard suggestion or drop down minus making sign in easy. So other improvement will include definitely the AI feature, and in the AI feature it will include the first feature as circle to search. So currently the costly headset and costly smartphones are coming with the feature of circle to search, but now Android 15 simplifies this and include that feature in every mobile which is compatible to support Android 15 update. Okay, so in circle to search you will be able to make a circle and there is some instruction given how you will be able to perform that task. So circle to search item on a screen. To search for more information for an item on your screen, touch and hold the navigation bar or home button to open the search feature, then circle or tap the item on your screen. Okay, and see larger thumbnail in your photo picker, it will make it easy to select for sharing your photos, and you will be able to see new emojis in your kitchen section, kitchen sticker types, and with generative AI emojis you will be able to create customized emojis with a wide range of expressions, style or themes with generative AI. So this is very cool feature in my perspective, because if we want to create an emoji based on our assumption, okay, so we will just give instruction to my mobile phone and it will create a very good emojis for me. Okay, so I hope this video finds you well, and you will like this video. So if you want to see the version after update Android 15, just keep subscribe to this channel and keep watching our latest upcoming videos. So after this video I will update my phone to Android 15, and after that I will just post a video after that new feature. Okay, so you will be able to see what features are changed and what features are not changed. Okay, so just like and subscribe and share this video.